What is going on, guys? Chris Rednick here, and today is the day that the Ricermiata is finally getting the love she deserves. So you guys know, for the past month and a half, we've been building that Forge engine, putting it together and everything, and I mean, to be honest, it's been done for a while. In my life, I get distracted a lot, okay? You guys know that. I mean, I must have ADHD because I can't stay on one topic, but I really want to get the Ricermiata going, man. I want to see this thing have big power. I want to drift this thing, and I want to make her great again. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to put this thing on the lift, and we're going to pull the engine today. We're going to get everything ready so we can actually drop the Forge engine into the car. I don't think this is going to take too long. I mean, the longest thing about this whole process is I'm going to have to bring it to Harvey so he can put up my manifold and stuff, because we did get that V-band turbo, and he's gonna have to modify my downpipe and stuff. So I just have to wait for him to be open to be able to do that. But not only are we working on the Ricermiata today, we are working on something else. Check it out. All right, so you know we're working on the Ricermiata. We're also working on the
Weeb-mobile.
The Weed-mobile? Weeb. Why is it the Weeb? Thought it was the Turd Bucket V2.
That's some anime titties.
Oh my, you're obsessed with that anime hentai stuff, aren't you?
Don't get it mixed up. It's two different
You
things.
like hentai.
I do not like it.
You love
I don't. I like anime.
Okay, not hentai.
But yeah, I mean, you know.
Dude, if I'm working on the Ricer, it's only right that you're working on
I
this.
gotta put the head on my motor, but that's...
What's the game plan for today? What do you want to do? You got to paint that bay. That's first step so we can get that engine into the car.
I don't know. First step is doing something in the AC. Screw the paint in the bay right now.
What?
We'll do that later.
Oh, man. So Marcus is going to start working on his head, and I need to get the Ricermiata into here. It doesn't have a crank pulley. You're not supposed to drive it without a crank pulley, so we're just going to use the good old lifted Miata to drag it in. But before this video goes any further, I just want to give a few minutes to my sponsor. Without them, I wouldn't be able to do what I do every single day, so here that is. Well, guys, it's that time of the month again. Today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends, and before we talk about Raid, I just want to give a big thank you. They have came back to my channel for the past 6 months, so before we go any further, check out the link below. It's free to play, and we're gonna get on with this ad right now. Over the course of me playing this game for months and stuff and sharing it with you guys, I've talked about the Portal, which is still my favorite mystery shard. We're just gonna open an ancient real quick. I'm sorry, I can't help it. All right, we got a rare. I'm cool with a rare. Ooh, I don't think I have him. The Wanderer. Anyways, we've talked about the Portal. We've talked about the sparring pit where you can level up characters and stuff like that. Currently, I have one. She's level 33. I'm trying to get her to level 34 right now. We've talked about the market. It refreshes every hour, and you can get a bunch of different things, and it's just random, and sometimes you can get some really good stuff. But today I wanted to talk about something we've never talked about, and that is the factions. Now, the factions are cool because there's a bunch of different factions. You can see here on my phone right now, we got a bunch of different ones, like the Banner Lords, the High Elf, the Sacred Order, the Barbarians, like you name it, man. There is just a bunch of different factions, and it's really cool because each faction allows you to level up those certain characters. So like when you go into the arena right here, you have a bunch of different characters mixed in, and they're all strong from battling in the faction. Now, there's a ton of different factions, but my favorite faction is the Orc faction, just because right here, if you look at my champions, man, we got Gallic, and he is my favorite champion of all time. There's something just about that like goblin look that I really like, and sadly with the Orc faction, I only have 3 of them. I need to save up some mystery shards, so hopefully we can get more of the Orc group. But I also have Shaman right here. She's pretty high. She's an epic character as well. Look at those horns coming out the back of her back, dude. Hell yeah. And then we got Raider right here. She's a rare character. 3 stars, level 28, pretty cool. But I only have those 3. So if we go over to the faction group, it's hard for me to fight right now because I need more of those champions, which not right now. But we're gonna go to the Orc. We're gonna go. So currently I'm stuck on stage 4. If you check this out, so we only got these 3 Orc characters. You can have up to 5 in this certain level. And honestly, I just get beat up. Check this out. I have it on auto so you guys can see it pretty quickly here, but these guys towards the level 3 get pretty powerful. I start to get pretty weak right here. Man, maybe I might even win. 3rd wave, dude. Come on. No, we're not making it. We're not making it. This is it. No, I'm dead. And just like that, it's over. So as you can see, I myself need to be spending some time in the factions. I need to be spending some time on the campaign to level up my characters even more so I can come back to the factions even stronger. And like always on the tournament part right here, there's always tournaments going down. We got the Fire Knight tournament and the Arena Onslaught tournament as well. And I am currently in 49th place. Well, we got to get up. I got some work to do. So if you guys want to download this game, it is free to play. It's going to be in the link description below. If you have watched this ad before and you haven't played it, I highly recommend it to you just because, one, they're supporting the channel. Two, it's a great game. The graphics are honestly amazing. And I know once you guys start playing this, you're going to love it. If you're a new player, you go click on the link right now, you will receive 100,000 silver and you will receive a new champion. And that champion is Lightsworn. It is an epic character, looks really good, and it's really powerful. And if you download the game right now, I promise you, you are gonna own with that character. I'll see you on the battlefield. Instead of just pushing it, they rather do it this way. I think pushing it would just be easier, but whatever, man. You gotta lift the Miata. We just Miata everything now. This is it, dude. Solution to everything. Miata. Ignorance, dude. Absolute ignorance. Oh, we are rubbing that low life, dude. All right, boys. Well, here she is in all her glory. I'm sad to say it. Well, I guess I'm not sad to say it. I'm actually pretty happy. This 1.8 engine, the stock 1.8, is gonna be coming out of the car right now so we can get ready to drop that one in. My main goal is just to get everything out of the engine bay and to get the forged engine ready to be able to drop in. Now, the only thing I'm really sad about is like, the reason why I rushed to put this thing together the last time was because there was a drift event and we finished the car and it was like 4 in the morning. We had to leave for 6, but my crank pulley flew off. So it's like, we did all of that work. I wanted to give her one last hurrah at the compound or something, but at this point I feel like I would just be doing that for content. And honestly, my main goal is just to get this car done. I really want to be in Connecticut for my birthday, which is on July 20th. And I want to bring this there. I want to go drifting for a few days. I want to take my friends for rides in this car. Like all the OG members, like Spencer, Will, all of them. Are you coming with me?
I might drive this.
Yo, hell yeah. Well, you got a lot of work to do too, my friend.
I gotta buy a turbo.
You gotta buy a turbo kit? We gotta get this thing together. So me and Marcus, we're gonna be bouncing off of each other because he's gonna motivate me and I'm gonna motivate him. So right now I'm just draining this water out of the radiator. We're gonna get that out of the way and we're just gonna start pulling things off, bits and pieces, baby steps. So I've been picking away slowly on this thing. We drained the coolant, we drained the oil, we drained the transmission fluid. I got the exhaust off, the dry shaft off, and just miscellaneous parts, and I just been putting them away in here. Catching up with Marcus over here. What's going on right now, dude? I like the process. The head's on or what?
No.
Oh, the head's not on.
No.
It's just for show or what's going on?
Test fit right now.
Oh, it's a test. You're test fitting the head? Got some modifications?
No, I gotta take all this stuff off. And I just remembered I actually didn't need to take it, so I gotta do my cam seals.
Yeah, right? That's why
Dang, dude. Don't rush it.
That's blinding.
It's blinding, I'm
Why do
sorry.
you even have that on?
Well, I was underneath the car. I like the hat, dude.
Thanks, man.
Representing,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
Appreciate
Hey,
that.
just-
Fuck you!
Get yourself on.
What? www.junkforless.net. That's what he meant to say. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna keep grinding. I mean, realistically, I should have this thing out in probably an hour. I'm just taking my time, making sure I take every single thing off and put it in there. So when we do put the forge engine in, it's just easy, smooth sailing. So let's keep grinding. So I'm gone for 20 minutes to post my video and this dude ruins the AC. What the hell are you doing?
Well,
What's going on here?
This is 7 man.
Oh my God.
This is my rent worth of the shop.
It's hot in here, dude. What the fuck?
Sorry, dude.
Sam F me, but anyways, like I said, I just had to run home to upload yesterday's video. If you haven't watched it, go click up in the corner. If I even do that, I don't even know. But honestly, the engine's pretty much ready to be pulled. I started pulling the wiring harness out. I got rid of all of the intercooler piping and stuff because I really want this car to come out really nice. So I think I'm gonna take every single thing out of the engine bay, and I already talked to Tommy. We're gonna start the painting, or at least the sanding process, on Monday and hopefully be done like Tuesday, Wednesday, because I want to get this car done as soon as possible, like you guys know. But I want him to paint the engine bay. I want him to paint like the front crash bar, this all custom rake hack job. I want this all to be painted the same color so it kind of looks good. Of course, we're gonna keep the junk intercooler because, you know, that's my brand and I'm gonna rock it. But I mean, I gotta do a couple more things with the wiring harness, yell at Sam a little bit more, and then we'll be ready to pull. So I've had some HKS cams for a while now. Don't ask me why, I just had them right here. and I decided to give him to my good buddy Marcus, dude.
I'm gonna need a mega squirt now.
I'm gonna be so mad if at the end of all this, you're gonna make more power than me.
That's highly impossible.
I mean, technically not. You can get the same turbo as me and make the same power, it's just will it hold?
Not a chance.
But-
I'm just doing cams with stock everything.
No, but I am excited to see what a Mega Squirt and just cams will do. I wanna see your car on the dyno.
Mega squirt cams, injectors, and a full exhaust on E85.
Yeah, without a turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how much you're gonna get from just that without
I
turbo.
know.
And
These are
then with it.
264s.
Yeah, 264s.
Yeah,
So
that's
they're not-
sick.
They're not super aggressive and they're not super low. And don't put that on an uneven surface.
But they are a lot better than stock.
They are.
I mean,
and they're HKS.
You should be able to gain at least, what, 15, 20 horsepower at least.
Yeah.
I'm curious.
I'll probably break 100.
Yeah, I'll probably bring it, like that's a good thing.
Hey man, I know what these things are capable of.
Yeah.
They are dog poop.
I don't know, man, 85 and all that stuff, I think you're gonna be a good 115. I think that's a good number. And then that turbo, dude, you'll be at 240.
Yeah.
Dude, you'll be cranking. I'm excited for that.
400,
Are we gonna lift this bag or are we lowering it?
No.
No, you're not about it yet?
No, if he ever gets rid of his, that's going to the moon.
Yeah. We have lifted Miatas, slam Miatas, everything. I'm gonna stop talking and get to work.
HC Beats.
So as you guys just saw, the engine is now out and this thing is absolute chaos. Look how much grime and stuff. Like, look at, there's just dirt everywhere from the compound and stuff. Like, when the Forge engine is in, don't get me wrong, ooh, that's bright. I would love to go to the compound and stuff, and we're still probably gonna go, but I'm gonna have Tommy.
You're not going to go to the compound.
No, I said we're still gonna go.
You're making it sound like...
But dude, just look at my engine bay, man. It's covered in crap.
Yeah. You have a detailer. Pay him to detail it.
True. Tommy's gonna fix all of this stuff, so it's just like, because the main reason why this is so dirty is because there's holes everywhere. That's why the engine gets
Because you
dirty.
Send it off the track.
Well, I gotta get a little better, dude.
Yeah. So don't I.
So I guess I have to go to the compound is what you're saying.
Yeah.
So let's talk about yours. Are you done yet?
Well, the head is on now.
The head is completely on, torqued and all, huh?
Yeah, the head's on, the cams are in.
Heck yeah, dude. This is good.
We're putting the cam seals in, so you know.
You timing this sucker tonight or what?
I don't know, maybe.
So when is the engine going in the car? Because you didn't spray paint your bay tonight.
I told you it wasn't gonna go in today.
Yeah, well. You said if you really wanted to, it could.
Yeah. That's me throwing everything together and being like,
Yeah.
oh yeah, it's good enough.
Yeah. So you're just taking your time on it then.
Yeah.
What is this? Did you spray paint that?
Oh, brand new.
That's brand new? Dang, dude, you're
I,
fancy.
I went and talked to somebody about a truck.
Oh, you might be buying a truck.
Yeah.
You gonna join the Brodos team?
I've always liked
Can
Toyotas.
I help you with that real quick?
What?
Hold on. You know, James spent some time making us these beautiful 3D printed stuff so you can just go like that and hammer that. And you're here using a socket. That's insulting. Look how nice that is, dude. Look how nice that is. You can't even lie to me. That thing is flush, dude. Money. Dude, we have this cam thing and he's using a socket.
What is wrong with you, dude?
Seriously.
James slaved.
He's slaved.
hours.
For you.
Slaved over your
For
exhaust,
Mr.
it still
Clean.
sounds like junk.
Yeah, but
Yo, you got that Rona?
hey, junk for less.
Yo, chug that
Don't
Rona
it?
right now.
No,
The whole,
I'm
dude,
not chugging a
do
beer.
it for the viewers.
All right,
Do
you
it
chug a beer with
I
me
don't.
then.
I don't drink beer. I don't drink beer.
Well, then.
I'll shotgun
no,
a-
Do it for the viewers, Chris.
I'll shotgun a White Claw for the viewers. Will you?
No, you gotta chug a beer. You're asking me to chug a beer.
Let's just chug it. Go ahead.
No.
Dude, you're letting everyone down right now. All those Aussies out there are like, yo, I would be chugging right now.
I do have new Vans. We could do a shoey.
You won't do a shoey.
No, I won't.
I did do it.
You did a
Remember
shoe.
that?
Yeah, I bought him new shoes.
If you ever come to Queensland, Missouri with me, we'll be doing shoeys. Don't you worry.
Yeah, great. I'm gonna bring 10 new pairs of shoes.
You should.
Yeah. Well, this is where Marcus is. My engine's out of the car, and let's see what we get into next. Well, this is not where I was expecting to end this video, but I think we're gonna end the video right here. Monday is Alex's birthday, so last night we went out, had a good time, and maybe I think we just had a little bit too much fun because today, man, I cannot do anything. I feel like absolute crap, but we're here at the house right now. I mean, we've just been celebrating Alex's birthday for Monday. If you guys want to contribute, if you want to follow him on Instagram right here and wish him a happy birthday for Monday, that would be killer. Alex is a really good dude. And tomorrow we're gonna pick up exactly where we left off. We're gonna clean the whole engine bay. We're gonna start sanding that thing down, and we're gonna get that thing painted ASAP, because I already talked to Tommy. He's ready to go, I'm ready to go, so all we have to do is make it happen. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. Don't forget to go down in the description below and check out Raid Shadow Legends. They're coming here every month supporting the channel, so check them out. It's a fun game, and thank you for watching this video. Peace out.